One of the projects of the Blockchain Research Institute that I personally tackled is the project about the intersection of blockchain and artificial intelligence, machine learning. Machine learning, technology that does things that it wasn't programmed to do because it's able to learn. And of course, AI more broadly is heavily used as a buzzword, and it's presenting itself as one of the biggest technological revolutions ever, and it certainly is. And with it, unsurprisingly, comes a unique set of challenges and, even moral dilemmas. Pop culture is rife with examples of AI going bad, from Westworld to HAL, from Stanley Kubrick's Space Odyssey, to the Skynet of Arnie Schwarzenegger's The Terminator, where a bunch of smart technologies are basically running everything. Indeed, in the book Blockchain Revolution, Alex Tapscott and I discussed what we call the dictator's learning curve, which shows how online sharing of technology could lead to sinister, unintended consequences. Not quite as, dramatic as the murderous Skynet or Android or something like that, but we are at an intersection. And the intersection is a clear one. We're either going to build all this technology in a centralized way, where ultimately it can be exploited to limit the liberty of people, or we're going to build the technology in a distributed way, where the technology carries the values of populations and of people rather than powerful individuals or institutions. And as a result, in theory at least, could enhance not just prosperity, but our liberty. A little more prosaically, there's the misconception that AI will run on some kind of giant supercomputer like HAL. We don't think that that's going to happen, and that's what should happen. AI should be distributed, and it should run on blockchain in the sense that it has some kind of commercial impact. It's like AI and blockchain, love and marriage, can't have one without the other, as the song goes. They go together like a horse and carriage. And we believe that blockchain is a much needed component to enhancing advancements in the field of AI. And we've written a pretty detailed account of these opportunities. The research consists of 4 different parts. First, we set up some definitions. Define AI, describing the amount of data being collected by the Internet of Things, and ultimately this Internet of Value, and the process of establishing pattern recognition and predictive analytics based on that data. And these activities can be carried out far more effectively by computers than by people. And this trend, of course, will just continue and it will accelerate. Second, we describe the role of blockchain and its vast potential to aid and even transform the acceleration of this capability through decentralized, trustless features such as openness and immutability. The role of smart contracts will play in both governing the use of data and also in creating an environment where individuals are rewarded for the data that they're generating. Thirdly, we describe the massive opportunity presented by distributed AI. One of the data points we reference is, you may have heard this, 72% of business leaders see AI as being fundamental to the future. Well, I sure wouldn't want to place my bets on any business led by the remaining 28%. And you put these two together, and it enables AI to participate in the firm and to participate in the economy because it provides a transactional foundation for that to occur. And finally, the project describes some of the challenges that both innovators and enterprises need to overcome, including scalability and governance. My collaborator on this project was Anjan, Vinod, blockchain at Berkeley. And he's a very thoughtful, skilled researcher and my co-author. He's also a former banker and an Internet of Things expert, and he's currently leading project development and operations at Open Platform, which is a blockchain infrastructure for applications. Anjan and I interviewed many of the world's leading thinkers at the intersection of AI and blockchain, and I'm just delighted to publish this report because I think that it can help every company, every business leader, and every government leader trying to understand how to exploit AI and how blockchain can enable AI to fulfill its vast new potential, but also how we can use this technology to avoid the dark side. I think our members are going to find this very interesting.